Roger Allen moved to San Angelo, Texas in 1967. He was an artist, potter, a high school art teacher, and a dreamer. In 1971, Roger and a few special individuals founded the Old Chicken Farm Art Center. Today, 37 years later, the Chicken Farm is a thriving art center with resident and visiting artists in pottery, painting, jewelry making, blacksmithing, and many other disciplines. My name is Larry Ward. I'm a songwriter and one of a group of people known as the Chicken Farm Pickers. I wrote this song to honor my longtime friend, Roger Allen. It's called The Potter. He was a potter, a philosopher, a rogue. He was a true child of the 60s, if the truth be told. He found his passion years ago, he still follows it today. His love flows through his fingertips as he kneads and shapes the clay. He was a teacher, a mentor and a guide. He tried to work within the system, but that goal it quickly died. You see, an artist walks a lonely path until he finds his niche. You can't force a peg into a hole it was never meant to fit. And the potter's wheel goes round and round like the cycles of our lives. Sometimes things just fall apart, sometimes they work out right. Just like the clay on that potter's wheel, with a skilled and a steady hand, our lives become a work of art that'll stand the test of time. Now the potter had a vision, a place he'd like to be, where artists they could gather and just be who they might be. A home that knows no judgment, where everyone is free to nurture their own talents in peace and harmony. So he found a rundown chicken farm, and the vision grew and grew. Some said that he was crazy, but in his heart he always knew this was his fertile field of dreams, where the vision would come true. It stands today a harbor safe for the artist's soul to move. And the potter's wheel goes round and round like the cycles of our lives. Sometimes things just fall apart, sometimes they work out right. But just like the clay on that potter's wheel, with a skilled and a steady hand, our lives become a work of art that'll stand the test of time. Like the keeper of the stars, he keeps a watchful eye, continuing along his path to keep that dream alive. And when the torch is passed along and his spirit fades away, he'll go in peace, for his heart will know he lived the artist's way. And the potter's wheel goes round and round like the cycles of our lives. Sometimes things just fall apart, sometimes they work out right. Just like the clay on that potter's wheel, with a skilled and a steady hand, our lives become a work of art that'll stand the test of time. Just like the clay on that potter's wheel, with a skilled and a steady hand, our lives become a work of art that'll stand the test of time. He was a potter, a philosopher, a rogue,